Follow these steps to install a Greenlite antenna in your Model 3589 vending machine. Make sure your vending machine is powered off. It may be helpful to use a tool to pop off the plug from inside the top of the machine. Then grab your antenna from the Greenlite kit. Unscrew the nut so you can attach the antenna. Take the nut and washer off the antenna and then stretch out the antenna cord. Drop the antenna cord down through the top of the machine so the antenna is sitting on the top of the machine. Then place the washer and nut back on the antenna cord and run it up to screw it in the antenna. Now that your antenna is installed, next learn how to install your harnesses and your Greenlite box.